Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to install and set up IPVanish VPN on your iPhone. It's a really simple process, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the IPVanish website. I've left a link in the description below, and it includes an exclusive discount for Rome Tech viewers. Once you're on the site, click the Get Started button in the top right corner. Now, choose a plan that fits your needs. As you can see, the monthly plan is $12.99, but the best value is the 24-month plan at just $2.91 a month. Once you've chosen your plan, scroll down and select your preferred payment method. After that, click the Subscribe Now button. After subscribing, you'll receive an email from IPVanish that looks like this. You'll need to create a password to activate your account. So, find the email and click on Create Password. After you've created your password and logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard, which looks like this. Now, click on the Get Our App link at the top. In the drop-down menu, select the platform you want to download IPVanish for. Since we're on an iPhone, we'll select iOS. This will take you to the IPVanish iOS download page. Click Download on the App Store. This will show you a preview of the IPVanish app in the App Store. Just click the Get button to download the application. If you've downloaded it before, you might see a cloud button instead. Click that. Once the application is downloaded to your iPhone, go ahead and open it. Because it's our first time setting it up, you'll see a setup screen. Just click Login, since we already created our account. Then, log in using the details you used to sign up earlier. Next, you'll be asked to create a VPN configuration on your iPhone for IPVanish. Click Allow, and you'll be taken to your settings where you need to enter your iPhone password. Alright. Now we can start using IPVanish. To connect to a VPN server, you can either press the Connect button in the middle of the screen, which will connect you to the optimal server, the closest and fastest one. Alternatively, you can click on the Locations tab at the bottom and scroll through the list of available countries. For this example, I'm going to select a United States server. It will ask if you want to connect. Click Connect. It'll take a few seconds, and you'll be connected to the United States server. You can double-check this by going back to the home screen. As you can see, we are now connected. Because we're connected to a VPN server, we can exit the application and use our phone as usual. If you want to disconnect from the VPN server, simply click Disconnect in the middle of the screen. After a few seconds, you'll be disconnected and taken back to your normal IP location. Remember to use the link in the description to get yourself that exclusive Rome Tech discount. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tech tutorials.